Before I start, I just want to say this message is not for people who have already taken heed and taken precautions. This is for people who still do not understand that something is about to happen. I want to spell this out for you.
Well, look at the Chilean earthquake. You realize that it was so big it actually rocked the planet Earth? The axis of the Earth shifted 3 inches as a consequence of that 8.8 earthquake. The day is no longer 24 hours. It's been shortened by 1 microsecond.
You said there are 5 major cities that should be concerned.
In our lifetime, we could very well see one of these cities destroyed. We will actually see this happen, perhaps. San Francisco, Los Angeles, Tokyo, Mexico City, Tehran in Iran. In our lifetimes, we could see one of the great metropolitan areas destroyed. And remember,
completely destroyed?
Leveled.
Okay, guys. You gotta ask yourself why an astrophysicist is giving you a warning about geological changes on the planet, okay? Now look, February 27th, that's when the Chile earthquake happened, okay? I'll scroll down a little bit so you can look at this and see the map, see where Chile is. That's on the Pacific plate, that's the Ring of Fire. Now look at this. February 27th, 2010. Astrophysicist. What's happening on February 27th? He said the axis of the Earth shifted. There is a perfect alignment of Comet Elenin and Earth. Do you see that? You got the Sun in the center, you got Earth right there. See where it is? And there's Elenin. Okay, that's your answer right there. That's why they have an astrophysicist giving us the warning. Look, here's the tectonic plates. He said Tokyo, San Francisco, Los Angeles, Mexico City, and Tehran. They're all on the edges of the tectonic plates. Okay, let's go back. This is today. This is earthquakes. Just today. Okay? Tokyo, San Francisco, Los Angeles, Mexico City. Let's go back. Alright, let's go forward and see where the alignment is this year. Notice that the comet is getting closer to us. The axis shift is going to be greater this year. Does that make sense to you? I hope to God it makes sense to you. I'm sorry, but people are not listening to me, and it's making me very upset because I'm trying to help you here. Alright, now look, March 11th is this Friday. It's coming into alignment, and it looks to me like it's in alignment around the 13th, the 14th, the 15th. That's this weekend. Guys, I don't want to curse, and I don't want to yell. But that's what I feel like doing right now. I do not know how to make you listen to me. If you are in any of those cities that Michio Kaku has graciously warned you about, warned all of us about, will you please take your vacations? And I would even further say that even if you're living in any area along the edges of these tectonic plates, I would say to get out of there during these dates that I've just shown you. I also want to say that the New Madrid fault area is another area. It's not on this map. It's right over here, okay? There's been activity there lately. I would say if you live on the New Madrid fault, I would get out of there too. They're not going to just come and spoon feed you this information on the news. They're not going to hold mass evacuations beforehand because they don't know when exactly it's going to happen. But they've been giving us these warnings, you guys.